Good morning, good morning. From Lake Temescal is nice and calm. Sun is shining. Lovely. Look. I asked some of the fellows over there, and some of them caught some already. I don't know how big is their fish because some of them don't want to be in the video, so I'm just gonna announce it in the video. Hi, good morning. I just got here. Like I said, I want to come try over here on this side. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not see you behind. So the last time I was over there at the pier, and today I come and try it out over here. We just got here. It's kind of late. Happy holiday today. It's President Day, and hopefully there's some action. And I don't know, did they plant the fish last week or not, but it seemed like not that much people are out here. Maybe it's not much of a catch, then we can see. Never know. The one that stayed there a long time could be the biggest one. One time, just to see he pulled the action in. I went to the restroom for a bit only, and I'm coming. Tiền khăn đấy mình. Đâu khăn nè. Ây da. Hello. 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 Hello.
Nice one, home.
Thank you. Ui.
Wow.
Mà hai
Nice
mà pound chiên đắng.
Oh, no. Good luck,
First of all,
home.
thank you. Good luck to you too. Để score cho bác hạt mùi khăn nè. Đại lực đầm bốn, đại lực tí pi. Mẹn lực đầm bốn, lực tí pi rồi.
Yeah, man.
Fish off on number 2. Loser. Look. Cheese.
Hello.
No, mình con phát hả?
The big one and the small one.
Con phát.
Chắc
mà với hai om chụp bằng. Hay chơi ngồi là con nào cái chụp bằng.
Watch your video, that's why. Mìnhจำหนาได้
มันจำหนาได้เพราะว่าแม่มันก็รู้จักว่ะ สพอมันเห็นมามันว่าให้ออมปลาที่2ได้ไหมนี่
No, เ
พิ่งมาเนี่ยเขาว่าเขาปล่อยปลาไม่เห็นเลย
No.
เนี่ยมาถึงไม่มีอะไรเลย
How long already you guys stay here?
ชั่วโมงหนึ่งเลย
1 hour. I think the fish bite better on the left side.
Really
I
the
don't know.
แต่
They catch 2 already. On that side. So mấy bông tao trai beli.
You watch it yesterday
The best one feel.
พี่ไปได้เดี๋ยวมาตะวันนี่
Yeah.
มูเขาก็ได้ทุกคน
Tao chưa con last year đó.
กไลน์นี่จอเตอร์ก่อ
The same spot.
กไลน์จอเตอร์ก่อ No, it wasn't you, Jotek. It was Chaya. Yeah, Chaya Jotek. Yeah. Let's hope for more. Go na pat ban mùi. Chọa mùi cô sống vừa đào cho đào láng tàu kháng nó với tàu bàn. Đằng tôi thông phong. Thọ đọc toàn bánh mình. Nè con phạt bàn mùi ạ. Nó con phạt bàn mùi ạ. Mỗi mình đã đào mà hai ông dân mình nhá. Ở lâu tao nói không lợp here. No. Yep. À bong nè bàn. Ngày tí bấy tỏ priệp đôi chị ở sân khâm hai bong phốn. Ở miền sân khâm tế. Mở. Nghĩa tao khăn ná có mình khơi nè nà chạp. Thế là các mình chia tự chạyประมาณ ngàyนี้มาปีថ្ងៃ holiday ត្រីវា holiday ដែរដឹងបានវាអត់ឃ្លានចំណីទុកឱកាសឲ្យមនុស្សមក barbecue ជាមួយក្រុមគ្រួសារគេដើរហាត់ប្រាណមានអ្នកខ្លះចាប់បានត្រីហើយដោះលែងវិញវាអត់ទាន់មានខ្លាញ់វាមានហើយតែយើងអត់ចូលចិត្តត្រីស្គមមកពី1 pound 2 pound ទៅវាញ៉ាំមិនឆ្អែតមែនទេស្ដាយអីស្ដាយយ៉ាងនេះស្ដាយអីស្ដាយយ៉ាងនេះទឹមបានត្រីលើកដំបូងឲ្យឲ្យដាច់ដែរចឹងមកថាអន់អីក៏អន់យ៉ាងនេះអាឆនអើយអូយពួកតានេះប្រហុយអាក្លិននឹងដល់កស្លឹកឈើបេកអូសផលមើលមកជាហៀងខាងនេះមកជាហៀងខាងនេះគេចាប់បានមិនមែនថាគេចាប់មិនបានទេតើគ្រាន់តែមិនចង់ដើរទៅថតគេ They caught some earlier this morning when I got here. Some got 2, some got 1, but they don't want to be in the video, so that's fine. No, yeah. That's where they plant the fish is at that bushes over there. Right there near the beach. Near the swimming beach area right there. That's what everyone said that's where they plant the fish at. Supposed to be planted since last week, but so far see nothing. I see nothing. That's why not too many people are out here. They charge $5 fee per person because they plant the fish, but
hello, we pay a fee $10.
Pay fee.
We go to Costco, got limit out right away.
Just like Big O said. ឥឡូវសផលហើយនឹង Big O គេនៅ Bethany Reservoir ហើយ Sean I don't know about him
Sean home
បឹងពេញទៅ baseball field ជាមួយកូន Tracy stay home and relax because ម្សិលមិញគេបានមួយហើយគេសប្បាយចិត្តហើយបើមិញស៊ីមវិញ I don't know ប្រហែលជានៅផ្ទះដែរបានមួយហើយប្រហែលជាស្ងោជ្រក់ទៅស្ងោជ្រក់ស្វាយឯងគាត់ថាស្ងោជ្រក់ស្វាយឯងអូយដល់កក្លិនខ្លាំងមកហើយកន្លែងនេះនៅពីក្រោមខ្យល់ដល់កណាគេទាញទាកន្លែងហ្នឹងឲ្យតែបានទេអូអាក្មេងដែលថានិយាយរួចយើងហ្នឹងទៅចិត្តទៅអាទាញនោះក៏ទាញត្រីទេ Oh wow he's challenged he got it oh good job yay you beat the bird yeah. He challenged with the birds huh oh look at him he was like I got it good job. They just got here too.
Yeah.
Earlier this morning, the guy over there, he challenged with the bird also. The man over there next to him, they challenged with the birds too. อย่างหาเนี่ยก็มีนเคยเตียงคลักทำไมนะต้องมาดอลตอนเยโรเยิงนึงอ่ะเดี๋ยวทาไปทาปูหมาเวียนเอาอะกลายเพลนึงไงเกเปล่งไตรนึงปูเวสตุบันจับเล่งแค่จะมาสตูเตียจะมันต่อเตียคลายเมียนไตรคลูนไอดักนองวิดีโอบัทักเมียนเตไงนี่สกังเตาเวงจบซาเต็งเครื่องเฟอยาวฮอนแม่เนี่ย odd man got odd hider. No luck. So it's a skunk day today for us, for trout. So I'm gonna take a break. I don't know when's coming back. Hopefully soon, because I love trout. This is a small little park, but it's a warm place for the family to get together for a barbecue and playing around on the field. That's it, folks. Today is not a good day. We're skunked today. So the place where I'm fishing at today was a narrow path. So we have to share with the exercise people and the dog walkers. So, you know, it's not as big open space to the right hand side. Not fun day today. No catch, no fun, right? Third time, skunk. Okay, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.